afternoon, ladies and gents. Quick little update. Just wanted to share with you guys, for those who may have had already downloaded or purchased the Strat scanner, we have updated it to allow the individual to customize the chart visuals to essentially look however they want. So in the settings now, when you load in the new updated script, you'll see these different options here for the color options that you have. So you can basically customize this entire chart to look exactly how you want. You can even take off the background in its entirety if you don't want to see the cell behind it. If you just wanted to have the floating letters, pretty much do whatever you like, honestly. For those who may not know about the scanner or are new to it, so essentially we made this so it can be a lot easier for you to find your setups when you're looking for trades to take. So instead of taking your time going ticker by ticker, or if you don't have access to a scanner like Thinkorswim or any websites that may provide this, essentially you have the option to add whatever ticker you want. We support up to 26 symbols. Just keep in mind there may be a little lag if you do enable every single 26 symbol list here. And you can look up whatever you want. So let's say if you want to add Bitcoin, actually let's just add 8 and 9. Let's say I want to see Bitcoin here. Hit up Coinbase or whichever platform you're using on. Let's do Ethereum, USD from Coinbase as well. And let's save this as default. And then okay. And now we have Bitcoin and Ether added to the chart, and it gives you the price as well. Now, essentially what this does is, depending what time frame you're on, as we can see up here, I'm on the 1 hour time frame. When we go to the chart, it's going to light up if that specific setup is current on the chart. So let's go to Bitcoin. Doesn't have anything on the 1 hour. So let's look at the 4 hour. 4 hour, let's see. 4 hour is printing a hammer. Yep, so we can see here on Bitcoin, we are having a 2-1 setup and a hammer on the 4 hour time frame. And then you can cycle through each time frame you want, and whatever is lit up is going to essentially show what is currently active on that time frame. Now, we have kept the hammer shooter threshold to 0.333%. However, you can adjust that to your liking, to whatever you deem may be a hammer that we may not deem as a hammer. This is just our preferred default setting. So for those who already have this little small update for you. For those who may not have it and are interested, I'm going to post a link in the description below. Any questions you have on this, you're more than welcome to reach out. Comment below as well. If you know me on Discord or anywhere else and you have questions, definitely reach out and I'll help out. Enjoy the rest of your night, and thank you for watching.